Hello second years, welcome back to maths class. So yesterday we discussed about some problems from system of circles. So today we will do some problems from the exercise. Okay, so problem is there on the board. So come on, read the question. Show that the angle between the circles is 3 pi by 4. Okay, so come to the first question. Angle between the two circles, right, is we have to prove that 3 pi by 4. So you take first circle. What is the first circle? First circle is, generally we will denote it with S is equal to x square plus y square. Bring that a square this side, a square is equal to 0. And S dash is equal to, what is that? X square plus y square minus ax minus ay is equal to 0 is the second circle. So we have to find angle between these two circles. So we have to find one GFC and G dash F dash C dash, and we have to substitute in the formula. So come on, 2G is equal to 0, 2F is equal to 0, and C is equal to minus A square. Similarly here 2G dash is equal to minus A, 2F dash is equal to minus A, and C dash is equal to 0. So G is equal to 0, F is equal to 0, Z dash is equal to minus A by 2, F dash is equal to minus A by 2. Okay, so we got all the required values, right? C and C dash are those things. Now you take your angle formula. Cos theta is equal to C plus C dash minus 2GG dash minus 2FF dash by 2 into root of G square plus F square minus C into root of G dash square F dash square minus C dash. So is equal to, substitute. So this one is minus A square C is, and C dash is 0, minus 2G is 0, Z dash is A by 2, minus 2F, right, is 0, and F dash is minus A by 2, right, this is 2, divided by 2 into root of G square 0 square plus F square 0 square, and minus C, minus of minus plus. Similarly here we have to take G dash square, that is A square by 4, plus F dash square, that is A square by 4. Next value is 0. So is equal to minus A square, 0 into something, 0 into something, 0, by 2 into root of A square by root of, taking the LCM as a 4, it is A square plus A square. So is equal to minus A square by square root, cancel 2 into A, and this is root of 2A square by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, is equal to minus A square by 2A into, we can write separately, A square root and root 2. Square root cancels, is equal to minus A square by 2 into A square into 1 by root 2. A square also cancel, is equal to minus root 2 by 2. So we can write this as minus root 2 into root 2 cancel. So we got cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So what is the theta value? Theta is equal to 135. How? Since you take cos 135 is equal to, we can write this as cos of 90 plus 45. So 90 plus, so second quadrant, So in second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive, but cos is negative, minus sign. And for 90 plus 90 minus ratio changes from the trigonometry, right? So 90 plus, where we will get 90 plus? This is your 0, this is your 90. So 90 plus belongs to second quadrant, right? It belongs to second quadrant. Okay, so if it belongs to second quadrant, only sine and cosec are positive, but remaining are negative. We are having cos, so it is negative sign. Okay, so that's why we have to take negative sign. And for 90 plus 90 minus ratio changes, cos changes to sine. So it is sine 45 is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Therefore, angle is equal to 135 degrees. So this is our first question. Okay, so how we have taken? So whenever two circle equations are given to us, and if we want to find the angle, right, so we have to compare first with s is equal to 0 and second with s dash is equal to 0. Why it is like that means, if you observe the angle between two circles formula, it is in terms of g dash, f dash, c dash. So that's why compare the first circle equation with s is equal to 0 and compare the second circle equation with s dash is equal to 0. Get the required values and substitute in the formula. And we got cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So cos of which angle is equals to minus 1 by root 2 means it is nothing but 135. So 90 plus 45. So 90 plus means second quadrant. So in second quadrant, only sine and cosec are positive, remaining are negative. So we will get negative sign. And for 90 plus 90 minus ratio changes, cos changes to sine of the angle. Angle is 45. So it is sine 45 minus 1 by root 2. So theta is equal to 135. Okay, angle between these two circles is 135. Now come to the second question. What is the second question? Find the equation of the circle which passes through the point 0, minus 3 and intersects the lines, right, given equations x square plus y square minus 6x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0, x square plus y square minus x minus 7y is equal to 0 orthogonally. So we have to find one circle which passes through one point as well as that circle is orthogonal to two circles. That type of circle equation we have to find. So your first question belongs to 2 marks question. Now your question belongs to 4 marks question, right? From this topic you are going to get 1 2 marks question and 1 4 marks question. So come on, first you take let, what is your equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be the circle equation, right? So first one is first condition, this one passes through 0, minus 3. This point satisfies that equation, right? Minus 3 whole square, 2g into 0 plus 2f into minus 3 plus c is equal to 0. So this is 9, this is 0, this one is 0, minus 6f plus c is equal to 0. Try to write in the order. Generally first g term should be there. There is no g term, in its place you can take 0. Next f term, next c term and send the constant 9 to that side. You will get your second equation. And given that, it is the given information, given that 1 is orthogonal to which circle? Circle equation is given to us. It is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Whenever circle is orthogonal, we have to compare this circle with s dash is equal to 0. So 2g dash is equal to minus 6 2f dash is equal to 3 and it is c dash is equal to 5. So g dash is equal to minus 3, f dash is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so what is the condition for orthogonality? Condition for orthogonality is 2 into gg dash plus ff dash is equal to c plus c dash. So 2 into g dash minus 3 plus f dash is 3 by 2 is equal to c plus, we are having c dash as 5. So come on, taking the LCM as 2, right? So 2 3s are minus 6g plus 3f is equal to c plus 5. 2 get cancels. Okay, so now from this condition we will get one equation. From the next condition, what is that? Our circle is orthogonal to another circle. From that we will get another equation. Totally with 3 conditions we will get 3 equations. Just to solve them and try to get your GFC, right? Substitute finally in the equation, you will get your required circle equation. So come on, what is the equation? Minus 6g plus 3f, right? G term, f term, c term. Okay, so minus 6g plus 3f minus c is equal to 5. You consider this as second equation. Already second over, so third equation. Now you take another condition, last condition, given that, what is that? 1 is orthogonal to which circle? Another circle, x square plus y square minus x minus 7y is equal to 0. Again orthogonal means we have to compare with the s dash. So 2g dash is equal to minus 1. 2f dash is equal to minus 7, c dash is equal to 0. So g dash is equal to minus 1 by 2, f dash is equal to minus 7 by 2 and c dash is equal to 0. What is the condition? Condition is 2 into gg dash plus ff dash is equal to c plus c dash. 2 into g dash minus 1 by 2, f dash is minus 7 by 2 is equal to c plus 0. Okay, so taking the LCM as 2 minus g minus 7f is equal to c. 2 get cancel. So your equation is minus g minus 7f minus c is equal to 0. This is your fourth equation. So first we have taken the general circle equation, passes through 0 comma minus 3, substitute it, we got one equation, this equation, but generally it should be first g term, f term, constant term, right? So we have to write like that. That is your second equation. Next, it is orthogonal to this circle. So orthogonal means we have to compare with the s dash is equal to 0. So you got your required things, and condition for orthogonality is always this is the condition. In that condition you substitute, you will get one equation. Similarly, it is given in the question, it is orthogonal to one more circle. Whenever circle is orthogonal to one circle, we have to compare that circle with s dash is equal to 0. So 2g dash, 2f dash and c dash, we will get it, right? So condition is 2 into gg dash plus ff dash is equal to c plus c dash. Substitute, you got another equation. Okay, so now we have to solve these equations to get our GFC values. Observe your second equation and third equation. In second equation, your C is plus, and in your third equation, your C is minus. That's why first we will take 2 plus 3. Okay, we will take 2 plus 3. So, what is our second equation? 0 minus 6f plus C is equal to minus 9, right? And the next it is minus 6g plus 3f minus C is equal to 5. So this is your plus C minus C cancel, minus 6g minus 3f is equal to, what is the value? This is minus 4. Minus 9 plus 5, you consider this as 4th over, you consider this as 5th one. Next, you solve 2, 3 over, you take 3, 4, right? You observe your third equation, minus C is there, and fourth equation also minus C is there. That's why here we will take 3 minus 4, be careful, right? So, your value is minus 6g plus 3f minus C is equal to 5, and this one minus g minus 7f minus C is equal to 0. We have taken minus. So what happens? Minus of minus plus minus of minus minus of minus. So these two will get cancelled. So you will have how much? Minus 6g plus, so minus 5g, right? 3f plus 7f, this is 10f is equal to 5. We can take 5 common. So it is minus g plus 2f is equal to 1. You consider this as your sixth equation. Now by solving this fifth and sixth, right? So we have to find GFC values, and at the end I have to substitute those GFC values in the equation. So how we can solve these equations? 6 into 6th equation, if you observe here minus g is there and here minus 6g is there. So you multiply this with a 6 and take the subtraction, minus of minus, it becomes plus. So 6 into 6th equation minus 5th equation we have to do. So it is minus 6g plus 12f is equal to 6. That is your 6th equation, and 5th equation is minus 6g minus 3f is equal to minus 4. We are doing minus subtraction. So it becomes plus, it becomes plus, it becomes plus. Okay, so these two will get cancelled, and here you will get this as 15f is equal to 10. So what happens? 15f is equal to 10 means sending 15 the other side, right? It is f is equal to 10 by 15 is equal to 2 by 3. So substitute f in second equation. Where is your second equation? So observe, this is your second equation. Minus 6f is 2 by 3, right? Plus c is equal to minus 9. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So it is minus 4 plus c is equal to minus 9. Implies c is equal to minus 9 plus 4 is equal to minus 5. We got f value, we got c value. Now we need g also. So come on, substitute f and c in any equation, third equation. Come on, see the third equation. Where is your third equation? This one. Minus 6g and plus 3f What is the f value? 2 by 3 minus c. So minus 5 is equal to 5. So 3 cancel. Minus 6g plus 2, and this is minus of minus plus 5. So 5 both will get cancel. So send 6g that side. 2 is equal to 6g, and what is your g? 2 by 6 is equal to g is equal to, it is 1 by 3. Once we got all these values, GFC values, we have to substitute in our final equation, general equation. That will be our required circle equation. So once again, first we have taken one circle equation. It passes through 0, minus 3. We got second equation. It is orthogonal to one circle. We got third equation. It is orthogonal to another circle. We got fourth equation. Solve these equations and try to get your GFC values. Once we got a GFC values, then we will write required circle equation is. So come on. Therefore, finally, required circle equation is, substitute x square plus y square plus 2g. What is the g value? 1 by 3 x plus 2f. What is the f value? 2 by 3 y plus c minus 5 is equal to 0. Taking the LCM as a 3 and sending that side. So 3 into x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 3 5 is 15 is equal to 0 is the required circle equation. Okay, so for the first one, we have to compare the circles with s is equal to 0, s dash is equal to 0. Find out the required things and substitute in cos theta formula. Then you will get your angle. For the second, you take one general circle equation. It passes through the point. So point satisfies. You will get one equation. Again, that circle is orthogonal to one circle. You will get second equation. It is orthogonal to second circle. You will get third equation. 3 equations we will get it. If we solve, you will get your GFC. Substitute those GFC in the equation. So finally, you will get your required circle equation. Okay, so practice these problems. That's all for today. Have a nice day.